If you have some rice in the house and you're out of breakfast ideas, try out this easy, simple, and delicious Vibibi, which you're going to absolutely love because they turn out very fluffy, soft, and amazing. But I know you're asking yourself, why the name Vibibi? I'm not sure, but the recipe is very common throughout East Africa. And here in Kenya, it's commonly found in the coastal region. And because of a research I did, I know Vibibi means little ladies or ladies. So the recipe is just totally worth trying because I'm a lady, and I hope you'll be enjoying the recipe. To make this delicious and super fluffy Vibibi or rice pancakes, you'll need 1.5 cups of rice, which are going to be soaking overnight. Soaking the rice is going to make it very easy for you to blend the next day. This is the next day and I'm ready to make my delicious Vibibi. So over here I have a couple of ingredients which you're going to find listed in the description box, and also my rice is well soaked. So what you're going to do, you're going to wash your rice for around 2 times until the water runs clear. So I'm going to drain my rice in a strainer, and then I'll be washing the rice for around 2 times. When done washing your rice, you're going to let the rice drain in the metal sieve for around 30 seconds so that it can drip off the excess water. For this recipe, you'll need a blender to make your delicious Vibibi. So I have mine over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add in my rice. Add in 1 cup of coconut milk. The coconut milk is going to add in a very nice tropical flavor to the Vibibi, which makes it very authentic because it's a Swahili recipe. So you're going to secure your blender, and then you're going to blend the rice and coconut milk until everything is nice and smooth. This is after blending for 1 minute. As you can see, the mixture is very nice and smooth with no lumps. So you're going to scrape down your blender just to make sure everything is getting blended smoothly, or everything is getting whipped up. Then to your blender, you're going to be adding in 1/2 cup of sugar, cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon yeast, and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Add in 1/4 cup of more coconut milk. Almost forgot adding in my egg, so I'm going to crack in 1 egg into the mixture. Secure my lid, and then I'm going to blend everything until smooth. Once more. After 30 seconds, my egg is well blended with the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to transfer into a bowl. Get everything from the blender. Because we have yeast in this recipe, you're going to be resting the batter for around an hour until doubled up in size. So you're going to cover with a kitchen towel, and then you're going to let it rest until doubled up in size. The yeast is going to add in a very nice soft and fluffy texture to the rice pancakes, while the cardamom powder is going to add in a very nice mild nutty taste to the rice pancakes. As a spice, cardamom powder adds several benefits to our body. For example, it aids in digestion, controls blood pressure, and also helps boost our immune system, including so many other benefits. So adding in sugar also to the rice pancakes is going to add in a very nice sweetness because we don't want bland pancakes. This is after 1 hour and my butter has doubled up in size, as you can see. So I'm going to use a ladle and stir up everything until all the bubbles are gone, that is. Then I'm going to move over to the stove top and place a small pan to make my Vibibi. Then I'm going to spread in a little bit of cooking oil to my pan, just lightly greasing my pan. Wait for the pan to get hot. Then I'm going to scoop out my butter and add in the pan. After adding in your butter in the pan, you're going to cook for 1 minute. And once you notice a very nice ring around the edges of the pancake, your pancake is going to be ready. And also to check if the pancake is going to be ready, you'll notice bubbling on top of the pancake. Waiting for the rice pancake to cook needs patience. So when you notice that lovely ring around the pancake, you're going to flip so that the other side can cook. And also you'll notice lots of bubbles on top of the pancake. So this is a recipe which is worth trying, because as you have seen, it is very easy. All you need is to soak up your rice, add in some yeast and a few other ingredients, and then you're going to make some awesome and delicious, very colorful rice pancakes. After flipping, you're going to cook for around 30 seconds because the rice pancake is already cooked on the inside. Then you're going to transfer to the rest. And when it comes to making rice pancakes, the trick is to soak your rice overnight. So it's going to be very easy for you to blend up the rice and make your rice pancakes or Vibibi. This is how my rice pancake is looking, and as you can see, it's very gorgeous and looking very delicious. So I'm going to transfer to the rest. This is my last rice pancake. So I'm going to add in the rest of the batter in the pan. Place aside, and then I'm going to wait for around a minute so that my rice pancake can cook on the bottom side. Once I notice bubbling on top, I'm going to flip and cook for another 30 seconds so that the other side can cook. As you have seen, the rice pancakes are so easy to prepare. I have mine over here, which are looking absolutely gorgeous and delicious. And I've already had one rice pancake, and it's super fluffy and soft on the inside, and it's filled with a very nice coconut flavor, which is so good. I'm going to flip. I'm done making my rice pancakes, and the best part about trying out this recipe is enjoying the recipe or the Vibibi with a cup of tea. Trust me, it's going to be very delicious. As you've seen, it's very easy to make these rice pancakes, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy and amazing rice pancake recipe. My rice pancakes are looking very delicious and fluffy. Totally worth trying. When you've tried out this easy breakfast recipe and you're wondering what to make next, you can check up here or in the description box for more breakfast recipes.